When you talk about windows, one of the really important things to understand is the manufacturing process and the materials that are used in making the window. The Anlin window is made in California for California homes. It's ideal for the high UV and the wide temperature swings we get. Those swings cause heat to expand and then contracting with the cold air. And these elements really can wear a window down. Anlin windows are made in California. We come out to your home and measure each opening, so we make the window specifically for the opening in your home. That's really the only right way to do it, to ensure that we don't damage any stucco or have to modify your house. Once we measure, we go into production. We go to our California factory, and we put the window out on a jig, essentially. 4 hot plates are inserted in each corner, and they're removed simultaneously. And so what that all means to you is that this is a 4-way fused weld on this window with 100% virgin vinyl. It's a superior way to make the window, and therefore we can warrant it for double lifetime. It's made better, built better, and it lasts for double lifetime. This window is also injected with fiberglass, which gives it additional strength and also energy efficient attributes. This is a fantastic window. Call us at 1-800-379-4745 to get more information. Thank you.